We're putting in a new GPM pumping pump system for the Corps of Engineers on Lake Eufaula. They're requiring that no electric motors will be out in the lake, so we're putting in a horizontal pump that'll be on shore, basically back underneath this traco about 10 feet down, and then go 200 or 300 feet out in the water with an intake, floating intake, so there's no swimmers will be able to get into the swimming area to ever get electrocuted. But it'll also have a VFD with a frequency drive on it that'll actually shut down. We've got a 12-inch pipe coming down embankment, down about 10 foot from shore, about 10 foot under the water is where the pump will be. And basically the pump went 200 feet. Once we get it's over here along that shoreline over here. Once we get it, it'll be basically out here, this floating intake, about 200 feet out, anchored. And so that's Carlton Landing up there. They're up there sanding the area where the box is at, where we take the pump in and out. Probably see it sticking up there, that gray box. And you're riding that? Yeah, come on down, Jimmy. We're taking it out to shore, or out to 200 feet out, and then we'll sink it with some anchors. Anchored out where we want it from the shore, and then we'll go back and put the weights on it and then flood the ballast tanks here, and it'll sink about 5 foot off the bottom. In about an hour, that'll all be underwater, and nobody will ever know what's in the lake. This is a water plant taking water to Longtown. What you see here is what we just put in the lake. Ours is all under the water. We don't have to have a scaffolding. We don't have to worry about it freezing. Don't have to have the danger of wind blowing it back to shore, much less boaters running into it.